DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. Our work is done on this brand new BMW X5 in the house. And this is our Instagram followers, so they already knew where to bring it to for protection. So they went with our new BMW double protection package. That's the paint protection film on the high impact areas, hood from bumper and side fenders, ceramic coating on the rest. And they went with our ceramic heat-reduction window tint. Check that out, you guys. Gave this BMW a nice sleek look. Our ceramic coating is going to make it super easy to clean. No more waxing for the duration that they select. So when you want to learn more, just feel free to contact us here at DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. Our number is 510-472-4181. Let's check out that window tint again. That looks good, you guys. Look at that beautiful shine on this BMW. Again, on the front end is our 10-year paint protection film. And that's a clear film that we have placed on the high impact areas, the hood from bumper and side fenders, to prevent from getting those annoying, ugly rock chips all over the front end. We always like to show off our work because if I didn't tell you that it was on here, you wouldn't know. And that's why this beautiful BMW X5 is here. DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont, 510-472-4181. Thanks for watching, you guys, and have a great day.